It's called the neglected belt because it is often overlooked, but its failure can have catastrophic consequences for a vehicle owner. It's the timing belt, and inspection and maintenance are critical to proper engine performance. Timing belts should be inspected at 60,000 miles and changed before a car reaches 100,000 miles or at the vehicle maker's recommended change interval. Timing belt maintenance requires both precision and patience. Unfortunately, if the belt is not properly aligned with the timing marks, the vehicle can experience a number of issues, the worst being bent valves or a ruined cylinder head. Thankfully, there are a few tips you can share with your shop customers to help simplify the installation process. The most important tip is to recommend a kit with a water pump. It's good maintenance practice to replace the pump and other components when installing a new belt due to the amount of labor involved. Oftentimes, the water pump is driven by the timing belt and it experiences an equal amount of wear. It's highly recommended by manufacturers and only adds nominal costs for the vehicle owner. Using a kit ensures you have all the parts needed for a complete repair job. The last thing your shop customers need is for a motorist to come back with an issue because not all components were replaced. This is the #1 selling kit from Dayco, part number WP329K2A. It includes the water pump and gasket and is meant for a number of import applications. Many of the Honda and Acura engines it is designed for also have a noise-related technical service bulletin. The issue happens because the idler pulley mounting surface is tilted, causing the edge of the timing belt to rub against one side of the drive pulley. The benefit of this kit is that it includes a shim to address the TSB. Be sure to check if the TSB applies to the vehicle you are working on. Not all kits on the market offer that, so pay attention when suggesting a kit to ensure it fully meets the needs of the vehicle being serviced. Every vehicle has specific instructions for a timing belt install, so be sure to follow them. They are usually included on the side of the box. We also suggest shop customers have certain tools on hand, like crank pulley removal tools, cam sprocket tools, and retaining pins. These are some of the more commonly used tools for timing belt replacement and overall make the job easier. Finally, suggest flushing the cooling system. A full timing belt water pump kit should never be installed without also flushing the cooling system. Using the wrong coolant, the wrong water to coolant ratio, or leaving old coolant in the system is asking for trouble, so definitely recommend clean, fresh coolant designed specifically for that vehicle make and model. Thanks for watching.